One of those unique films that make you reflect about one's self-identity and question the blind chase of literally many Indians at that time while revealing the condition of your country when you're willingly living a luxurious life in first world countries. A film that even watched today stands the test of time and gives you a heartwarming notion is the Ashutosh Gowarikar directed film Swades, starring Shah Rukh Khan and the many fresh faces lost in time like Gayatri Joshi and Kishori Balal. A gem film that was deep-seated with the idea and infatuation of Indian soil was released in late 2004 with a mere 34 crore in worldwide gross revenue to also question the guilt and sense of identity of the valued audience about the cult classic. The songs crafted by A.R. Rahman and lyrics penned down by Javed Akhtar that touch your heart was even the highest selling album with 13 lakh cassettes sold in worldwide gross revenue. This created one of the most powerful musical gems of all time, with every theme and soundtrack having a deeper meaning to explain why people, despite their differences, work for the same cause. Some of which are सबके एक ही सपने हैं, सोचो तो सब अपने हैं, सभी रूप है मेहनत के, कुछ करने की चाहत है, किसी से कोई बैर नहीं, ये बात है समझो यारा। ये जो देश है तेरा captures the entire movie theme played in one song, which still gives me goosebumps. Mohan Bhargav's first meeting with Kaveri Amma sets a rush of emotions within you.
तुम भी typical Indian.
Kaveri Amma's motherly affection lands up in a feud dispute between Mohan and Geeta's difference of opinion.
Sorry, I mean, हम हिंदुस्तानी.
The movie theme and social experiment, however, was something the masses didn't accept in 2004. Being a film which was released way ahead of its time is rather uncanny of how intolerant we are when it comes to socially uplifting films.
यहाँ पर कुछ बदलने वाला नहीं है. लोग बदलना ही नहीं चाहते.
कितना आसान है गलतियाँ निकालना. तुम इन सब के लिए कुछ कर रहे हो? नहीं ना.
Despite the film being 3 hours long, there was never a scene I found unnecessary for the holistic development of the story. SRK is a US return and doesn't trust anything but mineral water. Unless he's hidden by the actuality of India's rooted problems, he finds a kid selling water at a railway junction. See what happens to him next. Khan's leading hero charm is well shown off in the film. With every glimmer of tears in his eyes, we feel a sense of integrity in his performance that make us sympathize with him even more. Besides such profound and thought-provoking moments, especially having that impact due to Swades's well-written dialogues, the best example is of a farmer hidden by poverty and still fighting the odds, says, मेरे आंसुओं का स्वाद मोहन बाबू मेरे मन का नमक ही समझता है.
मेरे आंसुओं का स्वाद मोहन बाबू मेरे मन का नमक ही समझता है.
In addition to an aspect of groom's father asking Geeta if it was so important to work after marriage, to which she responds saying, हथेलियाँ सिर्फ मेहंदी के लिए नहीं होती और शादी के बाद घर और बच्चे आदमी के उतने ही नहीं जितने की औरत के, तो दोनों मिलकर एक दूसरे के सहायक क्यों नहीं बन सकते.
हथेलियाँ सिर्फ मेहंदी के लिए नहीं होती.
The highlighted theme of this movie focuses well on topics that are even relevant today. Social issues that aren't only prevailing in smaller section of the society but are witnessed by almost every community. Be it child marriage,
लजवा का अब गौना भी आवे वाला है.
Self-realization of Indian values to uplift Indian evolution.
मैं नहीं मानता हमारा देश दुनिया का सबसे महान देश.
Illiteracy with lack of incentive to educate women.
क्या आप नहीं चाहते आपकी पोतियां पढ़ लिख कर स्वाभिमान, आजादी और आत्मनिर्भरता से जिएं?
Poverty and the aggressive caste system.
कब तक आप लोग अपनी हर समस्या को लेकर हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठे?
That were few of the many contentious topics the crowd was used to believing in if we hadn't had Western education.
अपने ही पानी में पिघल जाना बर्फ का मुकद्दर होता है.
The structure and development of the story will certainly be welcomed with open arms if watched today. Revisit this movie on Netflix to see the magic again. I'm sure the sensational cult classic will drive you through a lot of emotions, and Swadesh's irony will be well appreciated against its censure if observed today.
जो कभी नहीं जाती उसी को जाति कहते हैं।